Planting dynamic colorful shrubs will bring interest to home gardening, with their fabulous foliage and brilliant blooms. Ornamental shrubs add structure to the garden that last a long time with low maintenance. Here this video is going to explore a list of 6 top flowering shrubs with multiple seasonal interest. Dwarf butterfly bush, also called pugster butterfly bush, make an excellent addition to flower gardens. It blooms non-stop from early summer through frost, with dark pink flowers. There are other butterfly bush types, blooms flowers in white and purple colors. Dwarf butterfly bush is perfect fit for small gardens with beautiful blooms. It grows up to 2 feet with spread over 2 to 3 feet, hardiness zones are 5 to 9. It prefers full sun to partial shade. Drift rose, also called rosa, is a very low-maintenance shrub with glossy foliage with bright colors. It blooms highly fragrant, fully petaled soft blossoms from summer through fall. Blooms comes in soft orange and pink colors. It is ideal and good choice for front yard flower beds. Drift rose prefers full sun for continuous blooming. Hardiness zones are 5 to 9. It grows 2 to 3 feet with spread over 2 to 3 feet. If you feel the content of this video is useful, please consider to like the video for channel encouragement, and do not forget to subscribe to House Talks channel for home interior ideas and home gardening content. Let's dance bigleaf hydrangea, one of the most widely recognized species of hydrangeas. This mid-size hydrangea is perfect front yard flower garden beds, and also it works well for large containers too. Blooms appear in very attractive lacy, horizontal blossoms and large globes of flowers, in rich pink and red colors, and also in different shade of blue color, dependent upon soil pH levels. This hydrangea type blooms from summer to early fall season. Hardiness zones are 5 to 9, it grows over 3 feet to 4 feet tall with spread of over 2 to 3 feet. It grow well in the partial shade. Sugar tip rose of Sharon, a beautiful privacy border shrub. It offers unique variegated, creamy white and bluish green foliage for most seasons of the year, and it produces loads of clear pink, double flowers in early summer to early fall. Sugar tip rose of Sharon are good choice for larger yards to add beautiful and bright green appeal to the yards. Hardiness zones are 5 to 8. It grows over 5 feet to 6 tall with spread of over 4 to 5 feet. It prefers full sun. Azaleas, very attractive and easy to maintain evergreen shrub. Azaleas are among the most attractive and colorful flowers we can grow in our gardens. Their rich glowing colors shine in tones of pink to dark red with large flowers. Blooming start in early spring, then rebloom again in early July, continuing through fall until hard frost. Hardiness zones are 3 to 8, it grows over 2 feet tall with spread of over 2 to 3 feet. Azaleas prefer full sun, at least 6+ hours of sunlight daily. Weigela, sonic bloom pink reblooming, a perfect addition for bordering or to cover larger areas in home gardening. Sonic bloom pink Weigela features vibrant and strong waves of pink trumpet-shaped flowers along the branches from late spring to mid-fall. Continuous blooms until frost, starting from mid-spring, will boost the curb appeal most seasons of the year. Hardiness zones are 4 to 8, it grows 3 to 4 feet tall with spread over 3 to 4 feet, it blooms well in full sun. If you feel the content of this video is useful, please consider to like the video for channel encouragement, and do not forget to subscribe to House Talks channel for home interior ideas and home gardening content.